Hi kids, I'm Anthony. Today we're learning about the awesome letter A.
It's English with Anthony.
Here are some words that begin with the letter A. The word apple begins with the letter A. So does the word ant. And let's not forget about the word airplane. It begins with the letter A too. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. Okay, here's how you write an uppercase letter A. Start with two slanted lines that meet at the top. Then connect them with a line across in the middle. Nice job! Now let's write a lowercase letter A. Start with a small circle, then add a short line down on the right side of the circle. Perfect. Now you know how to write an uppercase A and a lowercase a. Great job!
Hey Anthony, tell us some jokes.
Okay guys, I've got a joke for you. Why did the apple go to the doctor's office? Because he wasn't peeling well. Okay, I've got another joke for you. What do you call an ant that loves the sun? Brilliant! No, that was a good one. That was a good one. Let's practice the sounds that the letter A makes. The letter A is a vowel, so it makes more than one sound. The letter A says its name. A. A. This is the long sound. You can hear the long sound for the letter A in the word airplane. Once at the beginning and once in the middle. A. Airplane. The letter A can also make a short sound, and that sound is ah. Ah. You can hear the short sound for the letter A in the word cat. Ah. Cat. The long sound for the letter A is A. The short sound for the letter A is ah. Good job. Okay, if you didn't like the last joke, how about this joke? Why did the ant sit down? Because it was feeling a little antsy. It's feeling antsy. It sat down. Yeah. It's time for some spelling practice. Spell the word ant with me. Are you ready? A-N-T. Ant. Let's spell the word apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. One more. Let's spell the word airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. Airplane. Good job. Keep practicing. Ant. Apple. Airplane. Here are a few words that we all should know just by looking at them. Let's see if you recognize any of these words. Am. I am Anthony. I am Anthony too. An apple fell on my head. Here's an idea. Eat more apples. And I ate an apple and an apricot. And I'm still hungry. Are you getting hungry yet? No, but we are ready for the game. Okay, time for our card game. I'll show you a word, but one of the letters is going to be missing. You figure out which letter is missing. Here's our first word. Which missing letter makes up the word apple? Did you choose the letter L? Great job! Apple. Apple. Next up, which missing letter makes the word ant? Did you choose the letter T? Good work. Ant. Ant. One last word. Which missing letter makes the word airplane? Oh, look. There are two letters missing, but here's a hint. They are the same letter. Did you choose the letter A? Great job! Airplane. Airplane. Great work today with the letter A. I've got an airplane to catch. I'll catch you guys later.